guys, it's me, Dave, back here at the W9. We got the old man behind the camera.
Hey everyone.
But we just stopped at Chrome Depot and picked up a bunch of parts here for the dash. We got the chrome gauge covers that we're going to throw on all the gauges. And we also have our, what we put here with the switches for like the fifth wheel slide and stuff with the plates. And then also for the switches, the chrome covers for them. So we'll throw those on for you guys and let's see how it looks. So we just finished putting on the chrome back plates for the engine brake, the cruise control, the fifth wheel slide, and the suspension lift. And now we're going to be putting on these little chrome bezel pieces that go right up here for the the light identification piece. These two panels are done right here, and now we're gonna try to get put the pyrometer gauge cover on. We have to pop these the tack and speedo covers. They have covers on it right now. We have to pop those off, and then we also have a back plate for this light right here. Okay guys, so while we were trying to put in this piece down here, this chrome piece, the screws that when we took it off were the old screws, and we got all new dash screws. Yeah, there you go. And so we have all new dash screws, but we just ran out, so we're gonna have to get some more tomorrow, but for now we're just gonna put 2 screws in it and then put the rest in tomorrow. As another thing is that we didn't notice when we bought or put on the stickers that they both say tractor, and we don't have the trailer one, so we're gonna have to get the one that says trailer. But I mean, that's not too hard to put on. It's just a sticker. That's the old one right there that came off that we can put back on, but I think a newer one is probably what we need to do. So me and the old man are gonna be trying to do this part of the dash up here, but when we were trying to take off this nut here, the whole kind of assembly was spinning, and even behind the dash, so we're gonna have to pop off, take the 2 dash screws out, pop off the dash and hold it while we take the nut off, and then we can replace it. Has eventually showed up here to help us out.
Better late than never. But we wanted to show you a little bit of what the products we've been putting on this dash. Michelle down at Chrome Depot hooks us up with some awesome products. Like always, we use the United Pacific brand for all of our lights and their equipment, so we decided to give these bezel covers a shot, as well as all these Woody's accessories. These things really look awesome. Michelle takes care of us when we go down to the Chrome Depot. We give her a ring, and she's got everything laid out on the counter when we get there. We just tell her what truck we're doing and what we're looking to do, and she takes care of us. So, Michelle, thank you for hooking us up with some awesome products. You really made this dash right here and all the other lights that we put on really just, it looks awesome. So, so thank you for that.
Yeah, so I'll show you guys a little bit what we did here today. We got these backing plates on. And the 5th wheel slides, suspension lift, and these little bezel pieces around the lights. We also got this backing plate on, and the new stickers, and the gauge like covers, and they have a little visor, which I thought was pretty cool. It's different. And then the only thing we didn't get on is down here is 2 switches that we couldn't get the toggle extensions off of. We didn't have a small enough wrench to get them off, so we'll have to come back and do that off camera. But yeah, I think this chrome definitely makes the dash look a lot cleaner. I'm not a big chrome guy by any means, but I think the dash is definitely, I mean, if you put chrome on there, definitely.
For being a working truck, I think we totally cleaned this up. I mean, if we were going 100% show truck, this would have been pulled out, painted, but this looks awesome. I think any driver is just going to be ecstatic to be in here. And, you know, by taking care of your equipment like this, it puts an element of pride in it that I think is important to have, especially from a driver's standpoint. They want to see that the owners of the company are taking care of it and, you know, give them something nice to drive while they're on the road. All right, guys, even though I just showed up, I think we're going to call it a night. We're getting a little tired, a little hungry, and we're going to go home, recharge, and be back here tomorrow morning to, I think, finish those fenders up. Yeah. Which that's a coming video, and that's going to be pretty cool. And I'm excited to share that with you guys.
Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys.
If you haven't, please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and drop a comment down below. We love hearing from all you guys, and as we continue our builds, we'd love to hear all the suggestions that you guys would have and throw at us. So thanks, guys, and I guess we'll catch you on the next one.